So just start in a comfortable cross-legged seated shape for me. If that's uncomfortable, try sitting on your block. That will help. Just raise your hips up a little bit higher. You can place the hands down on the knees to begin. Just allow the eyes to close for me. Sit up nice and tall. And just find that space inside where everything begins to settle down. And as you tune in to yourself, just do a little scan of your body. Just start by feeling all the points of your body where you're connected to the ground. So feeling your feet, feeling your two sit bones, feeling your spine as it rises, as you sit a little taller. And take a deep inhale all the way up the spine and exhale it out. Now taking your attention onto your breath right now. So just follow it all the way down into your belly. As you inhale, just feeling your belly rise. As you exhale, just drawing the belly back in. Just setting your intention for your practice, which means why are you practicing today? What would you like from your practice, the energy that you generate? Just bringing the hands in towards the heart, feeling that intention. And then bring the thumbs up in between the eyebrows. You visualize that intention to create a picture, and that begins the energy, the law of attraction. You start moving towards what it is you seek. Take a deep inhale, reach the hands up, lengthen up. And as you exhale, just bring the fingers down to the floor in front of you. Let your palms rest. I want you to feel the floor, the ground. Take an inhale, lifting up, trying to get a little length in the chest, and exhale slowly, maybe fingertip down a little deeper. Try to relax into the hips for a moment. Maybe another inhale, a little taller. Exhale, fold in. Try to soften soften, relaxing the elbows, relaxing the wrists, the fingers. Finally, chin coming into your chest. Relax the head completely. And maybe even turn the hands up. Slowly rise. Draw the soles of the feet onto the mat. Take them the full width of your mat. And slowly just take a deep inhale. Lift up through the chest and allow the knees to fall over to the right. So a nice wide stance with the feet lets you get a little bit deeper as you inhale and exhale the other side. Just loosens off the hips. Inhale through center. Exhale other side. Allow the head to go to the opposite direction. And just one more. Good. Coming back to center and just extending the legs long. Take a deep inhale. Press the hands down by the hips first of all for me. Take an inhale, lift up through the chest, drop the chin. Press the mat away, flex the feet in. Inhale and exhale. And then reach the hands up, lift up through the spine. You can keep your eyes closed if you like. Exhale, folding forward, bring your hands onto your shins. You feel the tension now. So inhale, lift up through the chest. Maybe flex your feet. And exhale, slowly begin to draw the body forward. Good, maybe another inhale, lengthen. And if this is impossible, sit on your block, on your blanket, your pillow, just to lift the hips and allow the pelvis to rotate forward a little bit more. You can repeat inhale, exhale, and then slowly just release the palms beside the legs and let your head be heavy. If your legs are still super tight, flex the feet, squeeze your quads, and then let them go. Sink a little deeper. Slowly release. Sliding your left sole of your foot into your right thigh. Just extend that right thigh straight out. Take a deep inhale, reach up. Extend and exhale. Slowly fold in. You're taking a little twist So bring your hands to the outside of that right leg. Good. Take an inhale, lengthen. An exhale, fold in a little deeper. So you can bring your hands to the outside, just so you feel the whole left side of your body, from your hip all the way through the lower back to the shoulders. Another inhale, lengthen, exhale, fold, and try now to relax the feet, relax the fingers, and finally relax the head. Forehead coming down towards your knee. And if that feels super easy for you, you could also take the option where you take the half lotus, pop your heel on top of the leg into the hip, and slowly fold. So if you're always doing the same and not feeling much tension in there, you can always cross that heel over and lower down. Take a soft inhale and slowly rise. Just bring that right leg all the way behind you. Come up onto the left knee and try to bring the left foot to the outside of your mat. Take your hands to the inside of the foot. Walk the knee back, release the toes, and draw the hips forward. So this is called dragon. Toe heel, just make sure that your left toes are to the outside edge of your mat. So a block here could be super useful. You could rest your elbows onto your block and relax your head. You can take your block on the bottom and lower down. It's a little bit more comfortable than staying up on the wrist, but if you need to strengthen your wrists a little, the tension on the wrist joint will be also very good for you. So take a deep inhale. You're going to feel this down the front of the hip flexor. So take a deep inhale, exhale, slowly lower in. Allow the head to be heavy, chin to be heavy, and if you do have a block, try the elbows on the block. See if you can get a little deeper. And try to relax the toes, the hips, the shoulders, and your face. Slowly rise. Toe heel, those left toes all the way across the mat. Drop the knee to the outside of your left wrist and set up for swan. Slowly walk the knee to the middle of your mat. Release the toes. Take a deep inhale. Square off your hips, your shoulders, and begin to lower down. So just make sure the knees as wide as it can go. Wiggle those toes as far forward as they'll come. Bring your hips directly over the midline of your mat. You could keep your block if you have your block. You can rest your elbows. Release your head. And stay here. Breathe. Slowly rise, extending both legs out to the side of your mat into a wide straddle seat. Grab your flab out from underneath your sit bones. Just flex your feet back in towards the body, squeezing the thighs so the hamstrings release. Deep inhale, exhale, just relax everything. You could try sitting on your block as well. Inhale, lengthen. You could lift the hands above the head if you need a little bit of extra length in the spine. You just turn your palms up as well. Lift up out of the shoulders and exhale, just release the hands forward, as far forward as you can reach for me. Come onto your fingertips, lift the chest so you're drawing the vertebrae up, and exhale, slowly fold down. Relaxing the elbows, so relaxing the chin. Head is heavy. As you exhale deeper, now relax your feet. Let them go. Slowly rise. Just turning to the opposite side of your mat now. Setting up for swan on the other leg. So your right knee behind your right wrist. Extend your left leg behind. Take the knee all the way out to the side. Walk it back. Look down at the toes. Wiggle them forward as much as you can. Square off the shoulders, the hips. Take a deep inhale and exhale, lower down. Slowly rise. Drawing your right foot now onto the mat, toe heel it to the outside, making your way into your dragon shape. So hands to the inside of the foot, walk the knee back. Try to keep the knee, the right knee, behind the ankle, so you're not over here. Okay, so walk the foot out, place the hands down, and draw the hips down towards your mat. If you have your block and you'd like to put block or a pillow. Like to put your elbows to get a little deeper. Relax your head. Could also just stay up on your hands. Relax your head. And work into your wrists. Take a deep inhale. Slowly draw the hips back until you find your seat. Just extend the legs long. Take a deep inhale and exhale it out, drawing now left leg long, right sole of the foot into the inside thigh. So left leg straight in front. Take a deep inhale, reach up. Lengthen the spine, and this time exhale with a little twist out. So bring your hands to the outside edge of that shin, that knee, that thigh, wherever you are. Inhale, lift up through the chest. So think about lifting out to the hips. And exhale. So if you're only this far down, you stay here, you relax your chin. If you're over by the shins, inhale, exhale, relax down. If you're all the way forward, inhale, exhale, same drill, same softening, just depending how deep you're getting and how tight you're getting in your lower back. Now try to just soften the hands, maybe turn the palms over. There's no pulling, there's no making something happen, you're just surrendering to the present moment as it is. Easier said than done, but just give it a try. Slowly rise, drawing the soles of the feet together. Find your way slowly onto your back and draw the soles of the feet in towards the body. Allow the knees to fall apart, placing right hand on your belly, place your left hand on your heart. Take a deep inhale and exhale it out. A soft inhale and allow the knees to fall over to the right side. Allow the head to go to the opposite direction. Slowly draw the knees back through center and over to the opposite side. Slowly draw the knees back through center and over to the opposite side. Slowly slide the feet to final resting shape. Bring the arms down by the sides. Take a deep breath in and exhale, melt into your mat. soft inhale, soft exhale. Just bringing a little life back into your fingers. Into your toes. Maybe a good morning stretch. Hugging your knees in towards your chest. Give yourself a nice squeeze. Find your way onto your side. And when you're ready, press yourself up to cross-legged position as we began our practice. Bring the hands in towards the heart and take a soft inhale, a soft exhale. And again, one more time, deep inhale. Exhale it out through the mouth. Namaste. Thank you for joining me. A little different type of yin yoga today, using the sound bowls to really drop you in a little deeper. Please check out my other sound bowl sessions here on my channel. Press the subscribe button down there and you'll be notified when sound healings happen. Beautiful for going to sleep too. Okay, have a beautiful, beautiful rest of your time. Namaste.